a ball. Until the fellas start the name calling, and the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out,
Who let the